Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is Friday, 28th of August. And before market hours, I'll be updating you what is going to happen today in the market. So, if you are watching this for the first time and if you are not been a part of my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the notification. So welcome guys. Today is Friday. Yesterday we had the option expiry, and at 11,600 620 there is some amount of resistance which is there, which actually pushed the market a little down. Now 5,000 sorry 11,530 to 550 is still a support for the time being, and there was a gap which made, though the market tried closing onto that gap, it was not able to do it. Now the in the bank nifty, the gap is still there. Nifty also, the gap is still there. Now we may have to see if market will try to fill this gap, or will actually it hold. As long as it holds the gap, then it has more strength. But if it fills the gap again at the lower end, it will actually gain strength and it will probably move uh, again back higher. So on the higher end, that resistance, we need to see how significant is the resistance. So if the resistance is significant, probably we may see some amount of correction, maybe around 100 points correction could come. 11,500 530 will be our immediate stronger support, and as long as it is going to hold on to that, we may be able to start moving again higher. So overall, the market is always buy on dip, until unless there is any reversal which is going to happen. So whatever, so because of the yesterday's movement, we might see some correction, but that correction may not be that significant, maybe around 100-point correction, and from there we may again come back on the buying mode. Yesterday in the US market also similar thing happened. There was a bit of correction, and in the correction again the buying came, and they closed positively. Something similarly could happen in the Indian market. So the support will be 11,500 530, and the resistance will be around 11,600 650. And if I have to look at um, you the European markets are a little down, and that is not actually giving much strength. Commodity market, if you actually see, gold and silver are actually uh, still lackluster, so they may not actually move higher. Stock market is moving higher, the gold and silver preferably will move down only. So that's what I can actually say about the Indian market. What is going to happen for today, it could actually be on the negative side, as I sorry it could be on the positive side as usual, and it can actually continue its journey towards the positive side. So overall, market sentiment is still positive, though there could be some amount of correction which would come. It is only an opportunity to buy again, so look for buying on every dip. Market sentiment is extremely bullish, and this bullish sentiment could continue and take the markets to new high. And as I have been telling you, probably if this momentum is going to continue, we may actually move ahead and cross the all-time high and probably move much higher than that. So guys, this is in general what actually is going to happen in the market today. Thank you for listening to me, and uh, please subscribe to this channel and share it with all your friends. If you are actually not a part of my Telegram channel, it is Crazy Money with Sri. Go ahead and join that. And if you are not a part of my if you are new to the market and want to learn more about the market, there is a new channel called Free Stock Market Training. Just go and join the Telegram channel. You will get all the updates on it. I am doing this free training program. Yesterday was the fourth day, but there were some technical issues because of which we could not continue that. Today again at 6 o'clock, I'll be continuing to do that. It today will be more to do with how to use the indicators, which indicators to use, and what time frame to use, and how to actually take the entry and exit. That's what I'll be discussing today. So stay tuned at 6 o'clock. I'll be actually having this particular sessions. All the previous videos are removed. Please understand that the videos will be there only for 24 hours. If you are interested, you need to actually go and watch that during that time. So that's in brief what I have to tell you. Guys, I want to create a community of givers who could actually help more people, and that is the reason I'm giving you a lot more information. I am actually coming out with positional and intraday calls, so stay tuned on this. So when you subscribe and hit the bell icon, you will get all the notification when I come online. So do that, and follow me on Telegram so that you will get all the latest updates. Please like this video, comment what kind of videos are you looking for, and share it with all your friends, guys. Thank you very much and have a great and profitable day.